If your bank account is always empty, while some people keep getting richer without working too hard, is it really just luck? No, the real difference is only in the mindset. Today I'm going to reveal the 5 key differences between a rich and poor mindset, and if you change the way you think, you can change your life. The truth they don't want you to know. Most people believe that working harder equals making more money, but the reality is completely different. Rich people don't work harder, they work smarter. They make money work for them, while poor people keep chasing money their whole lives. So what are the 5 mindset shifts that can either make you rich or keep you struggling financially forever? Let's start with the biggest difference. Rich mindset sees every failure as a lesson and stays in a constant learning process. Poor mindset believes that their abilities are fixed and success is only for the lucky ones. If you start seeing every challenge as an opportunity to learn, your mind will begin working like the rich. Rich people invest their money in assets that generate more income, such as businesses, real estate, or the stock market. Poor people spend their money on things that lose value over time, like expensive cars and branded luxury items. Before every purchase, ask yourself, is this an asset, something that will make me more money, or a liability, something that will drain my money? Rich mindset thinks long-term, makes sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. Poor mindset focuses only on short-term gratification and has no future financial plans. If you start saving and investing today, this habit alone will make you wealthy in the coming years. Rich people build multiple income streams and never rely on just one source. Poor people depend entirely on a single job, and if that job is lost, their entire income disappears. How many income sources do you have? If it's only one, it's a risky situation. Rich mindset takes action despite fear. Poor mindset makes excuses and keeps waiting for the right time. The truth is, the right time never comes. Those who start today will be ahead tomorrow. Now the choice is in your hands. You can either stick with your current mindset or start thinking like the rich from today. Comment below, which of these differences do you think is the most important? And if you truly want financial freedom, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because here we reveal the secrets that rich people never share. Let's start your journey to financial success right now.